kay Pangulo, nasa ano siya, dangerous level eh.
Okay.
Ano siya, nabukulan o...
Either way, it's troublesome. Kasi either you're too dumb na nabukulan ka sa iyong bakuran, or you're...
Sabihin na natin ganito, no? He survived. He survived.
For now.
Oo, he survived. No? Pero, hindi pa siya safe. Hindi pa siya safe. No? Pero he survived. Kaya nga, for several months, meron kang, ang tawag dyan, breathing space.
Okay.
Diba? Pero,
You mean Christmas
pero hindi
is
lang.
coming up.
Yeah.
But last year, people didn't forget about the budget snafu, even after Christmas.
Yes. And he was greatly weakened. Diba?
That's
Then,
true. It started going downhill from
Yung
here.
rating niya, bagsak na eh.
You're greatly weakened. No? Pero, the line is holding. Catholic Church, anti-corruption, maglalagay ng white ribbon sa lahat ng simbahan, magkakaroon ng gathering sa Christ the King anniversary, sa 23, November 30 rally nationwide. No to extra constitutional means. So, ngayon, one of the few times na magkasama ng posisyon ng INC at saka Katoliko. Civil society, nandyan sila. Except for a few leftist groups na resign all ang posisyon.
Yung Makabayan Black.
So, most of the civil society ay hindi ganun ang posisyon. So, yun ang nangyayari.
Yung Makabayan pa, yung sumama niya sa Makabayan Black.
Hindi, sa amin kasi pursue the outrage of the people towards its logical conclusion, where the evidence will lead. But do it within this framework. Diba? Yun ang kaibahan. And create new leaders na i-contest itong mga magnanakaw na ito.
That's the other problem. Where are these new leaders and who are creating them?
And when are you going to have them in place?
Present them. Medyo malapit.
If at all.
If at all. Because it's 2026 practically.
Tingin ko more at any other time, yung mga katulad nila Chel Jokno, Heidi Mendoza, Shelo Magno, si Laila De Lima, etc. has a chance to be senators.
But
more than any other time,
But at the same time, si Sara Duterte also has a chance to be president.
Yes. Unless she is damaged. Binuksan na yung salin niya. Susunod dyan yung kanyang bank accounts.
88 million daw.
Lumabas na yung bank account ni Digong. Nandun si Sammy Uy. An alleged drug lord. So dadami pa yan with the ombudsman. Tapos yung allies nila, kukulong. So, ma-marginalize yung kanilang political machinery. So, marami pang pwedeng mangyari between now and 2028.